Inkokheli yeDemocratic Alliance ugqirha Vicky Knoetze uthathe amanyathelo aqinileyo ekulweni urhwaphilizo ngokuchasene nebhodi yamanzi yase amatola. Oku kujolise ekubekeni lubala izenzo zorhwaphilizo ezayanyaniswa nolawulo lweethenda kwibhodi yamanzi yase amatola nezinokubeka esichengeni iinkonzo zamanzi ezibalulekileyo kweli phondo. Ezi zityholo zinxulumene ngokukodwa namagosa aphezulu amathathu eAmatola Water Board kwakunye nophando kwi-ofisi yomphathiswa malunga nokwazi ngezi zityholo ukusukela kwekhala kulo nyaka.
This morning, the DA laid charges against senior officials of the Amatola Water Board. We also asked for an investigation into Minister Phemi Majudina's conduct in terms of her awareness of allegations of corruption and prima facie evidence of corruption against senior officials of the Amatola Water Board.
ugqirha Knoetze uthi baye baqaphela icontract ezilithoba eziquka amaxwebhu anxulumene nezityholo zokunyoba, urhwaphilizo kunye nokuphathwa kakubi kweziniki maxabiso kwakunye nokusilela kokuchazwa kwezi ziganeko zorhwaphilizo.
We became aware of at least 9 or 10 pieces of files and documents related to allegations of bribery, corruption, tender manipulation, as well as failure to communicate or report incidents of prima facie evidence of corruption at the Amatola Water Board. So in terms of my duty as a public representative of the people of the Eastern Cape and my oath of office, as well as Section 34 of the Prevention of Corrupt Activities Act, I have come to the eHumewood police station this morning to lay these charges myself. Those charges are more specifically related to 3 senior officials at the Amatola Water Board, as well as the investigation into the Minister's office in terms of knowing about these charges since July of this year and possibly not acting on it. If she did act on it, they will pick that up. If she did not, consequences must be faced in terms of that inaction to act in terms of corruption of the Amatola Water Board. It is very clear from the documents that we received, this is over 400 pages of evidence, that Amatola Water Board is fraught with corruption. And as we start to peel back the layers, it is very clear that this is a very sophisticated and very intricate web of corruption amounting to hundreds of millions of rands in terms of the Amatola Water Board.
I-DA izibophelele ekulweni urhwaphilizo ngandlela zonke ingakumbi urhwaphilizo olujongela phantsi ukuhanjiswa kweenkonzo nophuhliso loluntu oluchaphazela impilo yabantu baseMpuma Kapa.
9 contracts that we are aware of, and those total hundreds of millions of rands. Only those 9 contracts. But I'm telling you, as you pull the thread of these allegations and these reports, you are just uncovering layer after layer of more bribery, more corruption, and I'm telling you, it is a very intricate and sophisticated syndicate that is operating within the Amatola Water Board to steal millions and millions of rands.
Eli qela lifuna ukubona ezi zityholo ziphandwa ngokubaluleka okuphezulu, likwafuna abatyholwa ukuba baphendule.
I'd like to see these allegations investigated quickly with the utmost importance. We want to see that people are held responsible. There might be instances where people will have to pay significant fines. We want to see them recover some of these millions, and we want to see people serve time. It is hard. It is really time that we are serious about corruption in the Eastern Cape. And the only way to illustrate how serious we are about charges of corruption against people where they are stealing the money that is meant for people in this province and putting it in their pockets, we have to act decisively. And the only way to send a message to people that we are finished with corruption in the Eastern Cape is to put them behind bars.
Eli nyathelo libonisa ukuzinikela okungagungqiyo kwe-DA ekuqinisekiseni ukuba kukho uxanduva lokuphendula kunye nolawulo olungafihlisiyo. Kwiindaba zeMpuma Kapa, ndingAlungile Bhoqwana, eHumewood Police Station, eGqeberha.